One innovative solution for this in the future is actually would be a drone-based organ transport. Because as such, when you shift a heart or a lung, it's only a matter of 10 to 12 kg of the box which has to be shifted. You don't need many human beings to come along with it. So a drone-based organ transport would be very ideal. So right now this technology is evolving because 8 to 12 kg could be transported in India basically for 150 200 kilometers. Technically yes, it is possible in the civilian sector. But one of the biggest challenges here is the regulatory clearances from various authorities like civil aviation, military and municipal department are flying the drone in an urban area. So drone-based organ heart and lung transplant, transporting heart and lungs in Canada as well as in North America and USA. If all these things are taken care of well, drone-based organ transport is an excellent idea, very exciting idea, and very much possible in India.
But if we can reduce the time further, it will be of great help. It is here that the drones come in handy in reducing the transport time for the heart transplantation.